is B, and welcome back to my channel. What we have today is a collective haul from Japan. I ordered from 7 shops total, and I use Rakuten to consolidate the packages before it gets shipped to me. Let me know if you're interested in how to shop for stationery from Japan, and I can create a separate video about it. The first package that we have is from Monokoto, and I found this by accident because I was looking for Hase rubber stamps, which is sold out almost everywhere. So what I have here are a total of 4 Hase stamps, and I also got their washi tapes as well. Next we have Yohaku. You know how I feel about this, and you're seeing one of the themes in my rubber stamp collection, and it's Zen. This is also the second time that I've shopped here. Then we have something from Rakuten Ichiba. It's actually my first time shopping from their website, and it consists of different shops within the Rakuten umbrella, and this one is from a store called Hankoya, and what I got from them are kawaii theme of rubber stamps, and this one is by Ghibli Totoro. So there's 2 designs that I got. I also received a free postcard as well. Then we have Midori. This was actually the first item that I purchased back in the last week of January. So we have a free bookmark. Then we have the correction tape. This is part of the first set bundle. These are 2 freebies, which contains a set of bookplate with 4 patterns each inside. So part of the first set that I mentioned earlier, together with that correction tape, is this one. This is an A7 tag paper frame. Next is the MD Notebook Grid Rule in A6. And the MD Notebook paper cover in dark brown. The next set consists of 3 notebooks, so it's from Kenji Nakayama, Shunshun, and Arakawa Lindsay. Next shop is Hobonichi. These are the Hobonichi plain notebooks called Yamazakura. Then we have the Tomitaro Makino Koshinso Tetra cover, which was a spring release. Last from Hobonichi is this 5-year Tetra cover, and it's from Mina Perhonen called Ohio Gray. I'll actually be using this one as a cover for my Midori Hibino. Now we have Nico. whom I discovered on Instagram, but I ordered the products through Mini. Mini is like Pinkoi, but Japan version. These cards are what I saw on IG, and she gave me a lot, so I will be using this as ephemera for journaling. It took me a while to drill it down with these rubber stamps that you see here because of one, budget, and second, I only have limited space. So all these 8 pieces fit perfectly on my Muji acrylic drawers. Then we have plotter. This was what caused the delay in customs because one of the items had vague information, so I had to call FedEx to rectify it. There are 4 items in here. So you got envelope, bandwidth lifter, ring supporter, project manager, and another lifter. And all of these are in mini size. Last but not least, we have the Traveler's Factory or Traveler's Company. So you get a magazine every time you buy from them, and I got the Charm Coffee Bean pattern, and then the TSL TRC small pouch collaboration. So that's my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.